Awesome, brother. Yo, yo. It's a beautiful day. Tomorrow. Woo! Real bumpy. How's everyone doing today? We're just outside on this beautiful Sunday. Just relaxing, getting a quick little ride in. I really don't have anything to talk about. I just want to just get out and just ride. So that is what we're going to be doing. Just riding and having a grand old time on this beautiful Sunday. As you see, sun is out. Fucking sky is blue. Beautiful. Ah! Why am I screaming? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running? So yes, like I said before, we hit 500 miles on the bike, which is freaking amazing. That means I'm riding this baby. But when it gets a lot warmer, I'm gonna ride a lot more. Trust me. I'm definitely gonna ride a lot more. That's for damn sure. Ooh, that's a nice color Jeep. I like that damn blue. So yeah, we're just riding around town just for a little bit. Going through a tunnel. Dude, progressive braking. Oh yeah. That's how you. Where's that dog at? Where's the dog? I see it, but I don't hear it. Weird. Bruh.
I mean, I hear it, but I don't see it. I fucked that up bad. Dude. I don't know what that dude. He almost on his own bike. I don't know. But we riding. We outside. Hopefully that light will turn green faster than the rest of them. That one's green. I need this one to turn green now. Come on, you can do this. So yeah, man, like I said before, every time I go on this bike, I'm having a fucking good day. Like, I'm having a good day right now. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. I still feel my hands, I can feel my feet. We're all geared up from head to toe. Yeah. Woo, that's a nice car.
Nice.
Yeah. Woo! I love old school babies. Sexy! Yeah! It's a beautiful fucking day! I can't express that enough! Baby! I don't know, I'm just in like a god, these bumps be hurting my nuts. I'm just in a happy freaking mood right now. Come on the bike, the sun is out, and we out here, you know? Woo! Yeah! Why am I screaming? I don't know. Bear with me though. Beamer. That car is too close behind me, so I had to get away. Oh, get away. Yeah. That's a nice house. I wish there was a damn train here. I would damn race the train. Malibu! Get out the way. Alright. Oh man, that bump be hurting. Holy. Why you gotta hurt so bad? Don't you know I'm feeling too? Like, when it's a day like this, you just can't help but to be fucking happy. If you ain't happy, something wrong. Come on now. I'm loving the bike so far, but we are nearing on our first oil change for the bike, so you know what that means. And I'm also gonna do my chain adjustment, because from the manual it says around 600 miles check your chain slack, but I usually check that before each ride, and we're still in spec. We're on like the looser end, which is not that that bad at all. I would much rather be on the looser end than the fucking tight end. So there's that. And I'm gonna check it one more time before I do like the oil change and all of that stuff, just to make sure everything is still good. Cause I've been riding this thing like crazy. Cause I try to at least ride it every weekend, roughly. But you know how it is. Because it was raining like the beginning of this weekend, so I wasn't able to ride Friday and Saturday. So we're riding today. We outside, and I may ride tomorrow for President's Day, but I'm not sure just yet. Because I want to go do some like slow maneuver type drills and stuff. To kind of like work on that, work on my progressive braking, controlling my bike in the friction zone. Slow maneuver turns, god damn, like the figure 8 and all that on stuff. Yeah, and I have a cool place where I can do that at too, so that's not gonna be too bad at all. So
Yeah, there's a little place where I did my AMSF course in the back of an old abandoned mall. So that's where we're gonna do our little slow maneuver techniques at. Cause it's kind of familiar. And you know, give folks who are out there who like want to take the AMSF course like a idea of what it's gonna be like. Cause it's really not that bad. As long as you don't like wreck your bike, then you are going to pass. There's that. So still recording? Yeah, we are. Nice. Gas 309. They are tweaking. Woo! Gas going back up. Great. But that's why I'm on the bike and not in my car, because this thing is very cheap to fill up. It's very cheap to fill up, and like very cheap. Well, it depends on what bike you get. Now, if you get one of those Italian type bikes, oh yeah, you're gonna pay out the ass for everything. Especially a damn like Ducati. Oh yeah, you finna pay. You finna pay out the asshole for that bike. Boat RV warehouse. Damn, that thing big for the boat in there, you know? Yeah, sometimes I'll be talking like random ass crap. We in the Hoop Duck Village. Who is that? Howdy, partner. Get off your phone. Yeah, folks on their phones, they just piss me off. I want to grab them and beat the shit out of them sometimes, but I can't, because then I'll be in jail for aggravated assault. I don't got time for all that crap. So I just gotta stay out of their way, try to like, you know, bob and weave out their way. That's the tires, right? We're all good. And like I realized the more I ride this bike, the more comfortable that I get, and the more trust I get in these tires. Because before I'm like, dude, I'm never gonna be like sliding around. But look at me now. Oh baby, I can see the sun all the way from here. I think I need to go get some damn groceries, because your boy has no food in this house. I'm being a whole gremlin. Yep. And I guess one little tip that I have for all of the new riders out there: when you're braking, try to use both of your brakes each time. Because I know that as like if this is your first time coming from a bike from a car, we're so used to braking with our feet, right? So like our natural instinct is to just brake with the rear brake on by our feet, which is kind of like what you don't want to do, because the rear brake only has like 30% of your braking power, so it's not really going to stop you that well. So one thing they do teach you in the AMSF course is to brake with the front brake and the rear brake, and like progressively squeeze the actual brake. Don't like jam on it, because then you will flip and probably like fall off your bike. I have seen that before, because during my AMSF course, this dude, we were doing like the emergency braking, and dude grabbed the front brake so hard he flipped off his fucking bike. I wanted to laugh so bad, but I was like more concerned that if he was alright. But more of the story, that dude still passed. I don't know how. I hope he's out there safe somewhere, wherever he is. Cause dude, that was wild what dude did. I was like, god damn. Oh, see, look, back roads like this are just nice. You get the trees coming, like it creates that little narrow effect, especially if you're going fast. But I'm not really going fast. I'm going the speed limit on this road, because some folks really don't like bikes, so I gotta be mindful of that. So and I realize that I say it a lot. Be like mindful of that. We're gonna say something else. I don't know what I'm gonna say other than that, but we're gonna be on point. Why am I screaming? I don't know. Just bear with me. All the excitement and emotions, because that's my rule. I do not ride this bike if I'm mad. And one main thing that I learned fairly quickly is that when you're in a turn, right, make sure you follow your eyes through the turn. Don't get stuck on one thing, or look through the turn. And I kind of can't show you example of that, because I'm going straight. But when I hit a turn, I will tell you what I'm looking at. Because if you get fixated on one thing, you're gonna go towards that one thing. It doesn't matter what you do, your body follows your eyes. So whatever your eyes do, your bike and your body would do. And that's one thing that they harped on, because that's how most new riders crash. Number one, they go too fast in the turn, and they be target fixating on one thing, which is dangerous, because learning slow maneuvers and learning how to brake right and well will save your fucking life. Because knowing, oh, it's a beautiful damn day. The sun is out, it's like shining. Oh man, days like this are like fucking perfection, and I love them. Hell yeah, you know. And then a block, hot in my sock. I'm trying to dance and shit with that one arm. That's not going too damn well. One of these days, I do want to get a bike with a quick shifter and cruise control. All right, so on this curve, it's a little small curve, but I'm looking through the curve. I'm not looking at the road. I'm like looking through so I can like keep going with the damn turn and not be off in that ditch. And I'm not going a crazy amount of speed because I don't really have to. Like, I know some folks like to go fast, but most times you don't even have to. Just ride and chill. That's all you gotta do. Look, right now I'm turning with like one arm. Most new folks would be scared out of the damn months to even do what I'm doing now. But I'm doing it because I have that confidence in my skill and my bike. Now, when I first got on this bike, hell no, I not have done that at all. And intersections are like the worst, so that's why I always be like, oh no, look, is that a cop? Yep. I don't have anything to worry about because I have my damn plate. I have all of the right stuff that I need, so I'm not really worried about the cops. And for the folks out there who like run for the cops, shit, do you? I don't care. I'm not gonna be the one doing that crap. Foster the People is if you know, you know. I love that group. I found them when I was in high school. Well, in most of my vids, I'm on this road a lot. It's like one of like the main roads that connect a lot of the small towns that I like to go to. So I really don't really have a need to get on the highway because I don't need to most times, unless I have to go somewhere that's like in like a different state, which I may have to here shortly. What is this dude doing? Man, pull up your pants. Showing your ass and shit. Nobody wants to see that crap. And I have been on that highway before. That's I-12 going to I-10, which is a very busy highway all the time. The highway that never sleeps for the most part. The roads are pretty, well, it is a Sunday at 2 o'clock, so you know, in the Bible Belt, everyone's at church and they're probably going out to eat some damn where. A roundabout. Oh, I hate this bridge. It's so bad and bumpy. It's like, god damn. There we go. Don't want to hurt my ass too damn much. Freak that. There we go. Oh, little kids on those swings. Brings back memories. Oh man, I just can't express enough. Days like this just make me happy. Happy, joy. Yeah, out here we have churches every goddamn where. You can't escape a church out here. I thought somebody was in that damn truck. What the hell? Creepy. Woohoo! This is actually my first time going down this road with the bike. There's a library. Wow. Oh! Alright, just got some groceries. Now I have to head out one more spot. That's a Bronco. I don't like the way those don't look. Oh yeah, I love doing that. That's the best feeling right there. I tell ya. Get out there and get going, get them rolling. Woo! Get the little zoomies. I get them pretty often. Alright, so now we gotta go. I don't know where I'm going right now. I think I'm going to my favorite place, aka Sam's Club. Need to get a few things from there. I may or may not get some gas. I really don't have to. I have enough to make it home. I love running belts, but then I hate them at the same time. Most people know how to use them properly, at least. There we go. I mean, watch that tire. Get out there. That's how you do it. Ooh, feeling good. But yes, back to like the all MSF course type stuff. I think the hardest part for like most folks that I've seen is like trying to do like the slow move turnarounds and stuff like that, because when somebody gets unbalanced, they tend to put their feet down, which is one thing you don't want to do, because that can make things worse and then make the bike tip and like fall, and you don't want that. So going down, well, starting from a stop and making a left or right turn and then making a U-turn, those are like one of the hardest things that, hold up, what's this car doing? I bet. Those are like the hardest things that folks had an issue doing, because it's actually pretty, well, if you're not used to it, you're gonna want to put your feet down every time. That's a nice car. Hell yeah. Damn, all my way. Shit, I should look at that car. Fucking Equinox. Let's get on this highway, baby. Well, we're not gonna be on the highway for a long time though. See, look, just like this. I'm turning, but I'm looking at where I want to go. But if you don't, you will probably fall off your damn bike and run off to that ditch. Yeah, we're on the highway. I need to get on here real quick so I can like not have to go through town. I don't want to be behind this truck, because he can probably throw things out, so I need to get over. I don't like to be around them too much, because those are the ones that will knock me on my ass from the wind and shit. So now we're just cruising, but I had to do a little funsies to get past all that damn shit. So there's that. See, cause I'm looking through the turn. I'm not looking at anything else. There we go. Yeah, highway is always fun. There's always something new every time. Woo! All these folks on their damn phones, I swear, that's all they be doing. Like, get your phone! But yeah, like, most of like the MSF course is really not bad, as long as you like keep calm and listen to what they have to tell you. Listen to what they have to say word for word, because most things that they tell you will keep you safe, especially out on this traffic, because folks really don't care. Like, they can't see you. Half of the folks on this light right now probably don't even know that I'm right here. So yes, you got to be mindful. I keep saying that shit. Act like you're invisible, cause you really are. Cause most folks right now do not see me. I see them, but they don't see me. That highway is so fun to drive on at times. Watch out for that damn gravel, cause right there will like make you bust your ass. I came out of Sam's Club, got the rest of the groceries that I needed. Nice little bike. Nice little Harley. I think the most important drill that I did learn was the progressive braking one, because that one would save your life. So yes, that's what I want to do, because right back there where that empty abandoned mall is, there was behind the mall is where I actually took my MSF course. So I'm gonna go back there and do some drills, and that's what I want to do, like probably like once a week or something, just to keep my damn skills up, because I don't want to mess up. I'm not trying to talk and like think on the turn is like the hardest thing sometimes, but I want to keep my skills sharp. I don't want to get all rusty. I don't want to get rusty and then like when I actually need to use my skills, I mess up. Oh, just gotta hit it this one time now. Just one time. But I'll catch y'all when I do that. Peace.